Hey, what's up guys? So I was on TikTok and I seen a video on Chemical Guys. So basically I've been worrying about, I'll show you in a couple minutes, the trims of my door jamb. So there's a black trim right there and it looked like it's getting faded. So I decided to try their product. This is the red one. You put this one on first with a rag and then you put this one on with your special sponge that you buy from them too. So this one right here is a Blue Guard High Shine Protection. So it's a trim restorer, UV protection. And then this one is a trim cleaner, wax and oil remover. So I'm gonna try these out. I'm gonna show you exactly what I mean and how it looks. So let's check it out. Okay, so you can see here, I have both of my trim. One is getting like sun beat up. You can see right there. And it's looking horrible. And this is a 2019 and I can't believe that it's already all chewed up just like that. Looks very bad. You can see right there. So in their video they explained that you put the first one, the wax and oil remover, and then you put the blue one. I see that it probably lasts about 2 to 3 months, but I will get another video going to tell you exactly how long did it last. So I'm gonna get to it, start doing it and see how it comes out. Okay, so I gotta first do the trim and wax oil remover. So we're gonna do this one first. Okay, so turn the knob. Say use a rag. Oh, it does have a good smell too. So I'm gonna spray it. You can see that it does spray pinkish. Okay, I'm gonna spray it. Oh yeah, it got a very good smell. And I'm gonna take it over here. Okay, and I'm gonna clean. And while I'm at it, I gotta clean the other side too. Okay, so both of them are pretty much clean. So now, I'm gonna grab this sponge and open the Blue Guard High Shine Protection. And basically do the same thing, spray it. Their pump was a little off. I just got it open and I did pour some on top just like that. So I gotta write to them and tell them that their pump is wrong. And it says just just rub it on. So looking at it, it looks very nice. Now, the only thing that was wrong is their pump. I'll come and I'll put it on this one too. So you can see it shines it up. Okay. Looks very shiny. Go back to the other one. So the shine it has right now looks very nice. So we will see how long it lasts. The only issue that I had was opening the bottle so far, but the way it looks very nice. Awesome. I'll get back with another video, tell you exactly how long it lasts. But so far it looks very nice.